Hi everyone, I'm Jacob with Lemon Remodeling, and welcome to our new series on ADUs, where I'll be guiding you through every stage of the process from start to finish. Before we can start building, we need to get the site prepped and ready. Site preparation involves several key elements. Number one being surveying the land, then clearing the area and ensuring that the site is properly prepped for foundation. Clearing the site is essential to ensure that our foundation has a solid, stable base to rest on. Once the site is cleared, we move on to digging the foundation perimeter. The depth here is critical. It's all about ensuring our ADU has the structural stability it needs. After the perimeter is dug, we lay down our lines and forms and make sure that everything is squared away and true. This step is key to ensuring our foundation is level and properly aligned. Once that's done, we compact the ground to create a stable, even surface for the foundation. Any unevenness or irregularities now could lead to major headaches later, so we're making sure that everything is perfect before moving on. Once that's done, we'll move on to actually pouring the foundation. For this ADU, we're going to do a slab-on-grade foundation. Once the concrete is poured, we'll be left with a single, solid, flat concrete pad that will support the entire structure. Here is a critical point. Because slab-on-grade foundation have all the drain lines running underneath the surface, we need to lay those plumbing lines before we pour the concrete. So our plumbing team comes during this trenching phase to install all the drainage lines that will service the ADU. It's crucial to have your ADU design finalized before the construction begins. The plumbing plan needs to be set in stone because once that concrete is poured, making changes is difficult and costly. The same goes for the electrical work. For example, our kitchen will have an island which requires electrical outlets. So we run the conduit now before we pour the concrete to ensure that the island has power after construction is done. Once everything is in place, it's time for the exciting part, pouring the foundation. This is where our ADU starts to come to life. We're using a high-quality concrete mix to ensure the foundation is strong and durable. It's important to pour the concrete evenly and eliminate any air pockets that could compromise the foundation's integrity. After the concrete is poured, it needs time to cure. This usually takes a few days depending on the weather and the type of concrete used. During this period, it's vital to keep the foundation moist to prevent cracking. We're going to let the foundation cure over the weekend once it's fully set, and it will be ready to start the framing. And that's when the ADU will really start to take shape. But more on that in the next video.